Okay, welcome to Techniques Learning Skills Academy, and today we're going to be talking about HTML styles. Okay, another HTML style we're looking at the fonts. Okay, so just as you have your fonts in your Microsoft Word, so do you have it in your HTML tool or encoding generally. Okay, so the kind of text you want to write determines the kind of font you use. So, and in this context, you're going to be using the Verdana and the Korea font family. Okay, so I'm going to use it as an example. I'm going to be moving straight to our VS Code to practicalize what we have on screen here. So let's just clear what we have here and paste our code in it. Okay, so let's just quickly run through this code and let's see what we have here. So we have the h1, which is the tag. Okay, the tag name. We have the style, which is the attributes. We have the font family, which is the property. We have the Verdana, which is the value of our property. Okay, and we have our text element here, and we have our closing tag here. So except for tags that are self-closing or elements that don't require extra text, okay, you have to close your tags when you open them, so you have to avoid bugs in your code. Okay, so now here we have Verdana as a font family, and we have Korea down here. So let's just save it and let's come down here, and you see what we have on our screen. We have this heading and this paragraph having different font families. Okay, so let's just create another header down here. Okay, and let's give it the same font family as we have for the paragraph. Okay, so we can have a view of what it looks like. So instead of, let's just have our Korea here. Okay, good. So let's close it. Then let's have this is another heading. Okay, so let's Control S and let's save that. Let's come back to our browser. Can you see now? So they have different looks. Okay, so what determines the kind of font you use is the section you are working on. Okay, and if it's probably you're working on a paragraph or you're working on an header. Okay, so you have to choose the font that sits well with the particular section you are working on. So there are different kind of fonts. Okay, let's clear this so you can see quite a number of them that we have here suggested for us. So can you see? So there are quite a lot of fonts that you can pick from. Okay, so that's what fonts in HTML or in coding looks like. So we have different kind of fonts that you can pick from, that you can decide to use from, and then you have your website coming out very cool and beautiful. Let's just try this one and then we'll wrap up for now. So let's save that and let's come back here. Can you see now? So you have a different paragraph font here now, unlike the one we have there before. So your font also has add beauty to your website. Okay, so the kind of font you use also determine how well your website will come out. So do well to like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.